Hi, I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, journalist and media personality, and this is a little Toopes of advice that I'll be sharing with you randomly. Now, I know many of you are stuck at home, wondering when COVID-19 will just leave our borders. When will we get the time to go outside? But guess what? While we're inside, let us see how best we can utilize this time to get to know ourselves. In this show, I will be talking to you about who are you. But before we talk about who you are, let me tell you who I am. I'm a media personality journalist for 6 years now, and I love talking. I love talking to people. I love telling stories. People always tell me, Ashley, you chat too much. You have too many explanations for every single thing. But guess what? That is what makes me unique. That is my unique trait that no one else can claim. Yeah. There may be many people who talk a lot. There may be many people who tell a lot of stories, but no one does it like Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. So, my advice to you today is to figure out who you are. There may be many people who share your personality traits. There may be many people who live where you live or may have the same number of children you have, but no one is completely like you. In the comments below, tell me, who are you? And if you need a little more than a Toopes of advice, email info@livewellja.com.